In Creo 12, we improved the Tool Design Extension by adding a new Conformal Cooling command. In this release, it includes two options, Project or Spiral. For the Project option, you need to select or create a sketch that will be projected to an offset conformal to the surface. It will require as well the build direction. We can also define the inlet and outlet locations and section profiles for the counterbores. Let's see some options to adjust the conformal cooling channel, like changing the offset or selecting a different section profile for the channel, like teardrop. Or maybe we can adjust the counterbore parameters. Conformal cooling channels will closely follow or conform to the shape of the part being molded. This leads to a more uniform cooling of the part, resulting in better quality. The workflow for the spiral option is similar. The objective is to create a spiral cooling channel based on a pitch between a start and end plane, allowing different cross-section profiles: circle, half circle, teardrop, ellipse, and hexagon, and automatically create counterbores in the inlet and outlet locations with different cross-sections as well. In general, some benefits of this functionality: uniform cooling of molds, leverage additive manufacturing, and consistent with mold design workflows. Thank you for your attention.